Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some goodies that I got from Profusion Cosmetics.
Yeah, guys.
I have already.
I love and I got a necklace right there, and I love it.
Well, and it is also almost Abby's birthday.
Yes.
So we're gonna unbox this, and they're gonna show what's in the box.
I want some makeup on me.
We're just gonna unbox it right now. Can you show them this? It's a pigment.
Yeah, and this is lip gloss.
There we go.
Pigment.
Wait. We're not gonna open everything.
Pigment. Oh,
It's okay.
what
Abby.
is this? What is lip gloss?
It's the same thing as that. This is the lip syrup in maple. And let me see this.
Okay, let me open it.
Okay. And this is the lip syrup in cinnamon.
Yeah, and
Here, you done opened it now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna open it now. So guys, I'm gonna open that right now. So this is my little brother, Zachary, and I'm so happy.
He's not your younger brother. He is your older brother.
Yeah.
So
So I a baby.
we got Zach over here who wanted to wear the ears and be Sonic. Okay.
Let me open it. Pick it on.
Okay. And then we got, okay, so we opened that. Then we got these glitzy pout lip toppers.
So guys, I got found this.
Oh, okay. We'll show the guys.
So guys, I got lip gloss.
Lip gloss, okay. And so then we've got this in Celebrate. This one in Powerful. And this one in Magnificent. And these were $1 as well.
Look how my lip gloss.
Okay. And then we got some shadow sticks, also $1. And I got them in shades Glisten, Glitz, and Sparkle.
I want to wear one.
No,
Why?
because. And
Why?
then, hang on.
We got some lip. Oh, no,
Then we got a liquid, a soft matte lip tint in this shade, which is Curious. And
Look,
we got
guys,
this cute little palette. It has
I want to
36.
put it on.
Well, wait a minute. Oh, look at you, all shiny.
Yeah.
Those. It's very, flimsy packaging, but,
Johnny, I want to put it on.
Okay, well, wait a minute. We'll make that another video. And they sent me, huh?
I don't have no makeup on.
No, you don't have no makeup on. And then they sent me as a free gift this is a kohl pencil, and these are lip liners. And they have a little moon on them. I hope you can see that. That's so cute. Alrighty, that concludes this Profusion haul. We got some lip glosses, some lipsticks, some eye crayons, some eyeliners, some lip liners.
Abby, you look pretty.
A pigment that's really, really pretty.
I want to wear
And
some of
that's
it.
what we got. All right, guys, let's tell everybody bye-bye, and thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Alrighty, guys, I did swatch that pigment for you. I hope it's showing up. I can't see the monitor, but it was this pigment in the shade Haze. Really pretty. It's a
Some on me.
no. I'm not going to put any on you.
Put it on my hand.
Okay. That's what it kind of looks like, and
That looks like purple.
that's what it looks like swatched. All right, guys. Now it's the end of the video.